Good morning and welcome to Master Trader, where you can learn to use simple market and stock analysis to make money investing and trading. I'm Greg Capper, and this morning we're going to review the broader markets. So last week, the markets ended on quite a positive note. The Qs here, or NASDAQ 100, ended the day up near the highs on Friday, and that certainly suggests it's going to move higher. The S&P 500 did about the same. Didn't have quite a good day, but still was good. Bottoming tail bars telling us that there are buyers on dips. Now let's see where things are at right now. We'll do that by going to the S&P futures and the NASDAQ futures. And we're starting off the week relatively neutral here. So far it's an inside range, and that's quite okay to have a little bit of a rest within an uptrend. It often happens. And as I said, we see these bottoming tail bars which tell us that there are buyers on dips. So as long as that continues to happen, we know that buyers are in control and prices should continue to move up. Notice this TT, or what I call a topping tail, in opposition of the bottoming tail. Prices did exactly what they should do when you see a topping tail within an uptrend. They ignored it. Buyers stepped up again and pushed prices higher. Now, what we need to see is that they continue to buy in the area of the topping tail rather than those sellers coming in again and giving it another try to push prices lower. We'll see if that happens today, most likely. NASDAQ 100, neutral day so far. It's early, but this is a 24-hour chart, so we see what's happened overnight as well. And prices are right here near the prior high and consolidating. Most of the big names are just chopping around here, really not doing too much. So it's pretty much a mixed open. Apple's down about 25 cents, obviously not a big deal. Intel, which has just been on fire, is up 70 cents. And let's just bring this over here and you can see what's happening here. Let's call it extended hours change. That's up about 70 cents. Facebook down 40 cents. Microsoft down 9 cents. Google down $1. Not a big deal for a $1,000 stock, of course. Amazon down $2.60. Not a big deal, just trading within Friday's range. Bob is up about $1 here. And as you can see, not a lot going on. Financials down a little bit here, which have been doing well. And what is of interest here today is the bond market. Because the bond market's been going up for the last week or so, and it's up into this resistance area. And there's a next resistance area right here. Now, financials lately have been moving inverse to bond prices. So with bond prices up against this resistance, we're interested to see if they turn down from here, and then the financials will start to perk up and move higher. So that's something that we're going to be keeping an eye on. Gold is up this morning about $3, and it's chopping around here near this low. It's been holding this area, and it's at a point where it really needs to get moving here to the upside if this retest pattern above the 200 MA is going to follow through. Otherwise, it opens up the possibility of falling down into this void area and having could be a decent move to the downside there. So there's an overview of what's happening right now. We'll see how the day shapes up, and we'll talk tomorrow.